Why need Red Bull when you can get an energy boost from your own cat?
Shouldn't be on there, should you?
Ooh.
This is what happens when you don't tip your masseuse.
Excuse you!
Don't throw hands if you're not gonna finish it.
Jealous or what?
The chosen one has been found. It's this woman. When you're a man of steel, but there's a cat. Cat decides he's his parents' greatest gift and needs to be wrapped.
Goes down to the 5. That's dinner. This man, you don't need to worry about that. As long as that is on the 5, that's when you start screaming.
Seems like Kitty ran around the hood barefoot again.
Don't rub me like that.
5 minutes into his shift, and this orange baby is already tired.
Huh?
It's no lie to say, there is only one kid who's got the brains in the family.
You are not allowed to pee anywhere but the kitty litter. Do you understand?
When playtime's over, but you don't want your friend to leave yet.
Bruh.
Store the pickle! Come and go. Baby.
Admit it, interrupting cuddling time is the most serious crime. Point of view, cat's fighting hard to reclaim his golden child title. What's the result of leaving your child to your cat? You have 2 cats. How handy is it to have your human's face as a body scratcher?
Oh my god, kid. There's fur all over my mouth.
Don't! This is a sign telling you to never go to bed if your cat's still awake. Point of view, you try to ask your babe for your hoodie back.
Stop! Stop! Please! Ow, you got me.
The olive branch has been rejected. This cat is such a man of war.
Get out of the space! Thank you!
An olive. Oh! I got all.
I got it.
Ever wondered what it's like to have the hand of God? This is it.
Ouch!
The typical struggle of working from home. Looks like we have a case of soul swapping here. A great negotiator never takes no for an answer. Kisses and morning breath should never go together.
Really? Really? Ow. Buddy.
And the award of the most clingy cat goes to this baby.
She's trying to get her. She's so confused now she'll fall. She doesn't understand why she can't stand up.
When your parents aren't home and you're stuck babysitting your furry sibling. How can I keep the doctor away if you don't give me your apple, Mum?
Do you want pets? Do you want to play? What do you want? Ow.
Real footage of me and life tossing responsibilities back and forth. How to win a cat's heart? Have a beard. This furry baby is like GPS. She follows you wherever you go.
Sorry. Okay, I'm sorry. I'll lay here.
Waffles. What?
What? Come here.
Thank you for watching our hilarious cat compilation. If these cats made you laugh, hit the like button, subscribe for more, and share your favorite moments in the comments below. Bye for now, and see you around.